Welcome back. Let's bring broken things back to life. Testing the device, it's not turning on. The main issue, the power plug is damaged. Let's fix it. Let's compare two replacement plugs. The first one is strong and safe with a cable clamp. The second one is weak and fragile, unsuitable. Cutting cable to repair plugs. Same method to replace any power plugs. Always measure before stripping. Precision matters. Stripping power cable insulation. Don't scratch inner wires. Keep the cut within the clamp some for safety. Strip a bit less than a centimeter, just enough to fit. Some prefer tinning the wire ends with solder. Optional step. Fit the wires in place and tighten the screws. Lock the cable under the clamp, make sure it's firm. Where's the ground wire? That yellow-green one, if your cable comes with it. And just like that, it's back to life. Every fix teaches you something new.